You got a coin that looks like doo-doo? Let's clean it up. All right, let's go ahead and take this out. I know that time lapse was super fast, so I probably need to adjust the rate on that. I'm gonna take it out. We'll clean off the table and flip it over to the other side and do the other half. Now let's get this tape off here. All right. So I want to clean this off in a way that doesn't take away from the cleaning that we've done by marring up the other side of it. You can see some of that leach through to the other side. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna rinse it off first so I don't end up inadvertently rubbing some of that stuff into the unclean part. So I'll be right back. All right, let me finish cleaning off this table and we will go to the other side. All right, let me show you this coin real quick. This is the after effect, right? Not too shabby. You can see that mirror finish. There's a little bit of haze right here. It's really hard to get into those deeper areas between the letters, but man, night and day difference, isn't it? That's cool. All right, let's do this side. All right, need a piece of tape. This time, let's go this way. That's cool how they have it in Braille. That's good for those of us that are hard of hearing. Or sorry, what am I talking about? Those that are blind. Jeez, I should never have a TV channel, huh? But yeah, those that can't see, obviously they would need Braille, and I'm just a goofball, so. Just goes to show you too can have a YouTube channel, so. Let's set that in. All right, let's go. All right, done with side B. Let's clean it up a little bit, polish it, and I'm gonna go, well, let me peel this off and then I'm gonna go rinse it off, and then we'll take a look, see how we did. Yeah, see, all that junk has to come off before I touch it with a cloth or anything, with a paper towel, because it'll end up cleaning it and mess up that 50% clean look. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, YouTube, here's what we came up with. We got this really cool older, well, it's not that old, 2006 Costa Rica coin. And again, the before of the coin was this side, all dingy and, just like any other brass coin. Pretty sure this is a brass coin, but yeah, just like any other brass coin, it gets tarnished over time. And, on the other side here, you have 100 colones. So you can see the difference in the two sides. One has so much shine to it now that you can see a perfect reflection in it. And how cool is that? It's almost hard to appreciate via camera, but hey, we'll do what we can. There is still a little bit of that cleaning agent that I was using up here. You can see it's a little bit of blue and that kind of seeped in, but hey, it's all good and fun. This is just a YouTube video on how to clean a coin that otherwise doesn't carry much value. This isn't a collector's piece by any means. 2006 is a very recent coin. Brass, it's not anything, nothing too special. So I would not recommend doing this with any kind of an old American coin or even a foreign coin that's older than about 40 or 50 years old. Those might actually have some numismatic value. So unless you are a professional coin cleaner, don't do it, right? Don't even try. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time.